Do you want to know how to get free stuff on Amazon in a realistic and legit way where you do not risk getting your account banned or anything like that? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make some extra money or products online for free. And Amazon is a great platform because you can find more or less anything on Amazon. And there are actually realistic and legit ways to get free stuff on Amazon. And I will show you a couple of the options, but I will also show you some details that most people do not tell you because there are some things that are not as legit as some people claim, and it can really put your account at risk. So you need to be aware of this as well. So I'll also explain that. All that in this video, so let's just move ahead so you can find out how to get it in a legit and realistic way. So before I go over the realistic ways where you can get free stuff on Amazon without risking anything, without risking your account or without cheating anything or anything like that, then let's just first go over a method that I have seen many YouTube creators tell you is a great way to get free stuff on Amazon, but in reality it's not. And I want to first go over that because I want to help you understand not only what is realistic online, but also how some creators just spin things and just say whatever to get views without actually trying things. And that's why I wanted to mention this method, because what several YouTube creators tell you is that you can just go on Amazon, find a product that does not have that many positive reviews, and you can just go find any product. Let's say I want a great headset, I'll go and find some headset that does not have that many reviews, and then I contact the seller, tell them, oh, you do not have that many great reviews, and if you do not get good reviews, you will never get exposure, you will never get sales, send me a free headset and then I will give you a 5-star review. And that's what many YouTube creators tell you, and then you will just get a lot of free stuff. You can basically get any free stuff you want. And that's just, first of all, product creators like this, they get a lot of outreach and they cannot just give out free products. Some of them probably maybe would be willing to, but you would have to write a lot of product creators to get any products, and the ones that would end up giving you something would probably be poor products that are not really worth getting anyways. So that's one aspect of it. Another aspect of it is that it goes directly against the terms on Amazon. So if we take a look at the community guidelines, you can see in order to preserve the integrity of the community, then there are certain guidelines and there are certain things you are not allowed to do. And that includes that you're not allowed to create, modify, or post any content in exchange for compensation of any kind, including free or discounted products. So that means it goes against Amazon's terms, which means that if you do this, and you can say like, how would they find out? Well, there are ways to find out, and maybe they will find out. They can find patterns if this is something you do a lot, and that means that you put your own account at risk. Plus you're participating in something that I personally see as something you have to consider always, the ethics of how you make money online. Because if you get a product and you do not share your honest opinion, but just give them a 5-star review no matter what, then other people, they trust those reviews and they make it a part of their buying decision. So potentially you can be a part of manipulating who gets what products, and it's just not really fair if you do not give honest reviews. It's fair to give reviews. I do that, of course, all the time, but it should always be honest so you also help the people that read your review. So there's both the ethical and then there's the risk at this. And that's why I want to go over that, because there are just several reasons it's not a good way to make money, even though some YouTube videos has thousands of views from people watching it because they're hoping that they can just do this and get a lot of free products. But it's for several reasons not a good option. So let's then go over a couple of options that you can use without breaking any rules and that are ethical in my opinion, and that really does work without you having to write a lot of spammy outreach mails. So the first option I want to show you is called Rebate, and this is a cashback site that has a lot of options, not only on Amazon, but on Amazon also. So what it offers is cashback. So they have all kind of different rebate promotions and they change daily. Some days they are also limited. You can see this one right here has 5 left today, so only 5 more people can claim it. And you will get cashback, and the cashbacks are in general quite high. on this platform. So how that works is that you buy a product. As mentioned, they do not only have on Amazon but also on others, but they do have a lot on Amazon, and then you have to buy it. Once you receive it and it has been confirmed, then you will get cash back, and they do have some that give 100% cash back. You can see down here there is one, for example, so you will get it for free after the rebate, and others you will just get a really good discount for. So it's not all products, you cannot just choose freely, but it is interesting way to potentially get some really great discounts or get some certain products completely for free. And the thing is that you are not required to leave a review. Some people think that you are forced to then do that. Of course, you are welcome to do it, but this is a way for product creators to get exposure for other products. Of course, they hope that some people will then leave reviews, but there's no requirements, because then it would of course be against the terms of Amazon. But this is instead a cashback site, and then you get these really great cashbacks. So most of the products are maybe not so well known, but the product creators really want people to test it. So that's one option. I have a full review on my website, also a tutorial where I show more about that. I will leave a link below so you can check that out. But this is not necessarily an option for all, because it's limited what kind of products you can get. But there are ways to potentially get any product on Amazon you want to, and I'll just go over and talk a little bit more about that option also. But before doing that, it would be really great if you could just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So personally, I love using what's called Get Paid To site, and I'll show you a couple of great options. For example, FreeCast, Swagbucks, or PriceRipple. There are 3 really great Get Paid To sites where you can do all kind of tasks. It can be taking paid surveys, it can be shopping online, watching videos, taking paid offers, downloading games, playing games, all kind of small tasks, and they are all free to use. And these 3 sites offer Amazon gift cards in return for the tasks you do. And there are a lot more sites like that. I have a full list on my website with a lot of different sites that offer Amazon gift cards in return. And they do not only offer some of them for Amazon.com, but also for Amazon UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, for Amazon in more or less all the countries where Amazon is available. So definitely, if you're interested in that, then go and check out that list on my website. I will leave a link below this video, because this means that you can do small tasks. And you can say, yeah, you wanted to just get free stuff. Yeah, but reality is just you do not just get free stuff on Amazon without effort. Even if the outreach method that I talked about earlier really worked, you would have to spend a lot of time sitting doing manual outreach. If you spend that time answering a few surveys, playing games maybe on your phone, you can earn by doing that as well, taking paid offers, you would very easily earn enough to be able to get different Amazon gift cards, and then just choose any product you want on Amazon. So this is a more realistic and 100% ethical way of getting free stuff on Amazon. Of course, there is some little bit of effort, but there will always be if you want to get anything online. And this is definitely one of the most effective, completely free ways to do that. As you can see, when it comes to getting free stuff on Amazon, there are some options, but you do need to consider that there are some of the options that some people hide are just not really good, because they will just waste a lot of time, and they go against the community guidelines also, so you also put your account at risk. But there are also some options that are completely ethical and that do not put your account at risk, and that are also very easy and completely free to get started with. And I hope that this gave you some inspiration and also help you figure out and learn more about what to be aware of, so you do not end up wasting a lot of time on following poor advice. And for the options that I mentioned that I personally recommend, I will leave links below so you can check that out and easily get started with it. And if this video helped you, then make sure to also hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the site online.